So we have already seen how we can place orders for products which are posted by other companies or businesses, which will be posted in your orders tab, and you can keep a track of them. Now, how can other companies, businesses, and consumers can buy your product which you have posted? So now we had recently posted a product. Scarf here. So I have got a notification, a new order has been placed. Please check your orders request tab. So now if I go to my order request tab, I can see a company, Rudra Infotech, has placed an order for my scarf. So I'll give a serial number. So this I give 2 and I accept the order if I want to. Or you can also choose to cancel the order, that's your wish. So I give accept. Now I can go and visit the company's profile. So you can see they have posted some information about their company, and then their products are displayed over here. So now I choose to follow this company, so I can create a business relationship with them in future. So let me search Rudra over here. So I can see under the users I get Rudra Infotech, a company, so I follow them. Once I follow them, automatically uh, we get redirected to their profile. You can also see whom you are following in this followers section tab. Now if I go to this home page, now their post will be displayed here for me in this post section. Now next what I do is this ledger. Now you can maintain a ledger only with people or companies, I mean mostly with companies whom you are following. So I can give a view transaction. So you can see that there has been 2 transactions with this company, both for the scarf. So I can edit this transaction. So the amount is 2360. We can like enable whether it has been credited or debited from us. Since this company or user is buying from us, obviously the money will get debited to our account. So we need to select debited. Now the ledger mode, by which means of payment method did they pay you the money. You can choose any of this ledger mode. So I was paid by cash. Now whether it was paid or it is still pending to be paid, you have to choose that over here. So for me, one scarf has, wow, I mean the money for one scarf has been placed, but the money for another scarf has not been paid. So now I click submit here and then view transaction. The next one, I again edit the transaction, that was also by cash, but this is paid and that is credited. So I give submit, and then if we see the transaction, so since one thing has been paid, so we don't need to get that money again. So that would get reduced from this you should get amount. So only the money for this um, unpaid product, that is for the scarf 2360 will be paid to you. So you should get only 2360 from this company. You can also generate a report here. So if you open this report, we can see that the product name, paid, date, the mode of transaction, and the type, whether it was credited or it has been debited, whether you paid or they want to pay. All these things would be created as a ledger for you automatically.